Ever wondered how your phone predicts your next word or your email filters spam? That's the magic of artificial intelligence. It's like an unseen intelligence, silently integrating itself into our everyday lives, and most of the time, we don't even notice. Consider how your phone's keyboard seems to know what you're about to type. That's not just a lucky guess, it's AI. Then there's your email. Ever noticed how it automatically sifts through thousands of messages, shuffling spam to one side and prioritizing the rest? Again, that's AI at work. And let's not forget those handy voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. They're more than just robotic voices, they're AI, learning and adapting to serve you better. So whether it's predicting your next word, filtering out spam, or scheduling your calendar, AI is there, quietly working behind the scenes. Believe it or not, these are all examples of AI working behind the scenes to make your life simpler. Now think about your social media feeds. Ever noticed how they seem to know exactly what you're interested in? Isn't it uncanny how the posts you see seem to align perfectly with your tastes, your hobbies, your interests? That's no coincidence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the unseen hand curating your feeds. It analyzes your behavior, the posts you like, the pages you follow, the friends you interact with, and uses this data to customize your social media experience. The role of AI doesn't stop there. It's also a key player in suggesting friends or pages for you to follow. It meticulously studies patterns in your behavior and uses these insights to make recommendations. And let's not forget about targeted advertising. AI's ability to understand your preferences allows businesses to tailor their ads specifically to you, enhancing their chances of piquing your interest. In essence, AI shapes your digital world, presenting you with content that it believes you will find appealing. Moving beyond your phone, AI has even infiltrated your home. With a gentle hum of innovation, artificial intelligence is quietly revolutionizing your daily chores. Have you ever thought about how your smart thermostat learns to adjust the temperature just the way you like it? Or how your smart light bulbs know when to dim or brighten up? Yes, that's all artificial intelligence. Take a moment to consider your nifty robotic vacuum cleaner. As it scuttles around your home, it's not just cleaning, it's learning. It's mapping out your living space, identifying high traffic zones, and remembering where that pesky couch leg is. It's using artificial intelligence to optimize its cleaning path and schedule, saving you both time and energy. Even your refrigerator could be smarter than you think. With AI, it can track your consumption patterns, alert you when you're running low on milk, and even suggest recipes based on what's left in your fridge. From your phone to your home, AI is everywhere, silently shaping your everyday life. So is AI a friend or foe? That's for you to decide. It's undeniable that AI's impact is profound, from shaping our social media experiences to simplifying daily chores. While it offers convenience, there are potential drawbacks to consider, including privacy concerns and job displacement. Despite the debate, the influence of AI in our everyday lives is only expanding. One thing's for sure, though, AI is here to stay, and it's making a big impact on our lives, whether we realize it or not.